Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be reviewing a great sales course I found on the internet. It's titled Sales Master, the first half of the sale. It has been created by Stefan Devito. He's a German salesman, and it's a 6 hours long course, which is pretty damn generous considering its cheap price range. What will you learn? The main goal behind that course is to make you understand the structure of a sale, more precisely the first half of the sale. By doing so, Stefan will teach you every single steps of a sale and how to make every single one of these steps right. But there is one thing I have to tell you. I didn't like that structure that much. I prefer the one I created for myself worked better for me. So you got to understand that it's hard for me to recommend that course to someone who's looking for structure, for a framework, a step-by-step guide for any sales. Like I said, I didn't like it. It might work. But if you want to make sure you get what you wanted from your next course, check out the description below. I've got a suggestion for you. But anyway, other than that, through every steps, Stefan explains in details so many concepts, strategies, rules and ideas. For example, you learn prospecting, you learn the concepts of buyer archetypes, sales funnel, how to get cold called warm, how to use your body language, how to train your voice, how to use tonality, how to build rapport with your client, frame stacking, pitching, building your script, and much, much more. You won't learn much about closing and handling objections, since that course only focuses on the first half of this sale. So again, if you want your next course to be teaching you how to close and how to handle objections, check out the description below. I've got a suggestion for you, or otherwise you can check out the review I made about that course. If closing, handling objections, and structures aren't your first priority, stick with me here. That course is a great choice. So what's the first half of the sale? So the first half of the sale is everything that comes before closing. So I'm talking about prospecting, building rapport, following, pitching. Through each of these steps, Stefan explains strategies, rules, and concepts to follow that, if applied correctly, will improve dramatically your results. One thing that makes that course so great is the fact that Stefan is an amazing teacher. At first, his accent sounded a little harsh. Many really famous instructors on the internet will only vomit everything they know about a topic without caring 1 second about how easy or how hard it can be for you to understand. That's because they are experts, not teachers. May not sound that important, but once you take a bad course that is full of amazing content, you'll realize how important it is to have a great teacher. So, who's this course for? If you are currently making a living as a cold caller, buy that course immediately. Stefan specialized himself on selling on the phone. I cannot see a better choice at this price range. But if it's the first course you're taking on the internet, I wouldn't recommend it to you. It goes into really complex stuff. It's not all complex, and it goes into the fundamentals, well, most of the fundamentals of selling, but it doesn't go through all the fundamentals, and you need to know the basics of selling before you get to the more complex stuff, like how to use tonality and body language. As a first, second, third course, this is perfectly fine. Even if you're selling cars, I would recommend that course to you. Definitely, it's the best sales course I took so far. I still have to practice so much stuff I've learned in this course. So again, check out the links in the description. I hope you found that review helpful. If you didn't, please write me a comment and let me know what I can do to get better. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to make sure you don't miss our upcoming reviews. With that said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a future video.